Hello, it's Wednesday, November 5th. Welcome to Let's Talk Immigration. I'll start today with news about the Diversity Visa 2027 program. As my followers know, that the State Department usually announces the entry period for DVs like in October, like that's usually when the entry period is, October or November, and it has not been announced yet. I think there's two reasons behind that: the $1 entry requirement and the passport requirement, and also maybe this government shutdown. So maybe three reasons behind it. But it appears today in US Visa News. See, it says November 5th, 2025. That's today. The department is implementing certain changes to the process. We will announce the start date for the period as soon as practicable, as well as the date that selectees may become available through the entry status check. So remember, I predicted it probably wouldn't be until summer, and then Britt Simon says it's going to be sooner. It's probably something in between. If they're announcing the period soon, it could be in January, February, or March. So we just have to wait and see. But it's good that they haven't forgot about the program. That's something, right? Okay, so group lawsuit onboarding. Right now, we're onboarding a group lawsuit for H-1B visa applicants who are stuck abroad because they were outside the country and then the H-1B proclamation hit and they want to do a transfer. If you go to our website, transfer or extension, I'm sorry. If you go to our website, up here on the top banner, you can click there to find out about this lawsuit. We're filing this lawsuit on November 17th, a couple weeks from now, but onboarding ends the 10th, which is Monday. So if you are an H-1B stuck abroad, you have until the 10th to onboard to this lawsuit. Also, don't wait to the last minute to onboard because onboarding usually takes more than a day. So you want to make sure you get started. Also, as long as I'm on our website, I'll show you that if you go to these lines here, you go to lawsuit interest list. We have interest lists for group lawsuits that we're filing soon, that we're going to offer onboarding for soon. The employment-based group lawsuit is for employment-based, primarily Iranians who are subject to the travel ban. Ideal participants would be members of ethnic and religious minorities because you qualify for an exception too. So you actually want to accelerate when your visa decision is made. So there's an interest list here. I think we're going to start that onboarding soon. So be sure to sign up on that interest list if that's your situation, if you're an EB Iranian NAP, and we will let you know about that lawsuit. The next one is on the interest list is a group lawsuit for IR5 APs. This is parents of U.S. citizens, primarily Iranians, but doesn't have to be. We file a lot of individual mandamus lawsuits in this situation just for individual families. But I realize that sometimes families can't afford an individual mandamus lawsuit. So that's why we have this interest list. If you're a family, if you really want to get your parents to the U.S. and they've been in an AP for more than 6 months, register there and we will do a group lawsuit that's more affordable. That's the plan. Not that many registrations on that compared to some of our other groups right now. Okay, this is the third opportunity that we've got up on the interest list. It's the interest list for DV 2026 selectees. As many of you know, we had partial success in our litigation for DV 2025 selectees, and that litigation still continues, actually. And if you hope to benefit from the same privileges and advantages that those plaintiffs got, then you need to have your name on this list. Now, this is just for people from the travel ban, though. So if you're not from a country that's travel ban country, this sign-up list is not for you. This interest list is not for you. Okay. So what else do I want to talk about here? I'm still running for Congress, but that's not, I don't usually talk about that here. But when I look at my calendar, I see a bunch of things here for the law firm and a bunch of things for Congress. And I'm a busy person. Um, that's all I really want to talk about today. I don't have any questions here, so I'm going to wrap this up. If you do have any questions for me, I've just my Calendly, which is how you book a consult with me. I've just put a link on the profile for my Twitter and for the profile of the Twitter for the law firm, the X account, I guess. So it's more accessible. We love to do free consults for people to let you know, hey, yeah, what you're needing is something that we can help you with, and this is what we charge. Or we can't help you, but this is who can, and then we send you in the right direction. We don't, at this point, we're not charging for consults just to talk. Okay. That probably won't be that way forever. A lot of people are pushing me to stop that, but that's the way it is right now. So take advantage of it. Stop making decisions that impact your immigration journey without speaking to an attorney, especially when there's one right here that's willing to talk to you for free. Come on now. Okay, that's all I have today. Take care, and I'll see you next Wednesday for Let's Talk Immigration.